Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is for young learners and we read about Betty in the kitchen. I encourage you to pause the video regularly. Practice the vocabulary as well as the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Betty is a little girl with a creative talent. Today, she's ready for an exciting experience in the kitchen. Betty looks around the kitchen and sees jars, bowls, and baskets full of ingredients. She wonders what amazing recipes she can make. Betty decides to make her favorite baking dish, pancakes. She grabs the flour, eggs, and milk. Betty mixes the ingredients together, stirring the batter with a wooden spoon. She pours the batter into a pan and tries to make a perfect round pancake. Betty tries to flip the pancake high in the air, but it lands on her head instead. Betty thinks of adding some strawberries and whipped cream to make her pancakes extra tasty. She stacks her pancakes and decorates them with strawberries, whipped cream, and a sprinkle of colorful sugar. After finishing her pancakes, Betty notices the mess she made and decides to clean up. Betty sits down at the table, ready to enjoy her tasty creation. Betty's family joins her, and she proudly shares her pancakes with them. Betty's adventure in the kitchen was a success. She can't wait to try cooking something new next time. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button. Also consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach English learners all over the world. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.